Kia ora everybody, it's Pat McPhee, the co-founder of Manaaki here. I'm currently in lockdown in Tamaki Makaurau, out in my front yard. A little bit noisy, cars, trucks, dogs, that type of thing. But don't worry, because I'm really excited to tell you about a brand new kaupapa that we've just launched here at Manaaki called the Digital Doers Academy. The Digital Doers Academy is a 12-week course and internship for job seekers that want to change direction, want a new and exciting career in the digital space. It's taught by some of the best people in the business, people that have led global brands, grown multi-million-dollar technology companies, all here to mentor you through that education process. And what's super exciting is that thanks to the whānau at Taitokerau and Make Everything Achievable, we've got 10 spaces reserved for participants from the Taitokerau rohe. How good is that? Now, it's super easy to apply. All you have to do is go to the link down in this description, click the link, fill out the application form, and make sure that you just put a little note in there to say that you were referred from Taitokerau Network, and we'll put you in the group of people, special applicants from that rohe. Now, if you're a small business and you're listening to this video, you're watching this video and you think, man, I need a digital doer. I could do with one of those people in the business, and you want to take on an intern with a long-term view towards providing full-time employment, then Kay Marie is definitely the person to speak to, and she'll collaborate with our team to take you through that journey, make sure that we can find you the best apprentice for your type of business so you get the absolute best result. So, what are you waiting for? Kia horo, kia tere. Get down to the website and apply. Applications actually close on the 19th of Feb, but we've kept them open so that whānau from the Taitokerau rohe can get in there and apply. Look, the whole Manaaki team, the whānau from Taitokerau, Make Everything Achievable, are really excited to offer you this opportunity. We look forward to meeting you and working with you real soon. Mauri ora.